Hello, in this video I'll show you how to pay for Peacock TV. Now it's a very easy process. So open a browser and open Peacock TV on that browser. Now just simply click on get started over here, and after that you will be shown two type of plans, premium plan and a plus plan. And after that you will also be able to see the monthly fees and the annual fees. So currently for the premium plan they are all showing the monthly fees, as you can see. Now to see the annual fees, just simply toggle this option, and now you will be able to see how much you will be charged yearly. Then you will also see down below what you will get in each plan, as you can see right over here. Now to just simply get started with a plan, just simply choose what you want. Like for example, if you are going to pick the premium plan, just simply click on the amount over here. Then just simply wait for a few seconds right over here, and after that you will be shown this page. So over here what you have to do is you have to fill up the data. Now after you completed the part, just simply click on create account. Now again wait for a few seconds. After that you will receive an email. After that you will receive an email on your inbox. So just simply go to your inbox and just simply verify your email. So it will look something like this. All you have to do is click on verify your email, and that will redirect you to the payment page right over here. Now once you're on the payment page, you will have two options. You can use the card or you can use PayPal. So you will have both the features. Now depending where you are living, the features might be different, so just simply keep that in mind. So now what you have to do is you have to just simply enter your name, last name, your address, city, state, zip code, then the card number, and then monthly and CVV. And then all you have to do is just simply click on subscribe, and then you will be subscribed to Peacock TV and you will be able to access all the content in it. Now for the next month, the payment will be automatically deducted from your account if you will not disable the auto renewal option. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.